Hi everyone, welcome to the second part of whole numbers, P5 whole numbers, and we are focusing on orders of operations. In the first part, if you recall, we ended at this division of involving multiples of 10. Sorry about that. Okay, so division involving multiples of 10. So this is where we stopped. I have not given the example to divide multiples of 10 when they are in the hundreds, but it's basically the same method. So you can divide by 4 first or divide by 10 in this case here, this example here. Okay, or for hundreds, okay, for when it involves multiple of 10 in the hundreds, you can divide by, and let's say it's divide by 400 here, you divide by 4 and then divide by 100 first, or divide by 100 and divide by 4, it doesn't matter which way you do it. Okay, so what we're going to do today, we're going to do the next part, which is the order of operations here. Right, so this is going to be a short video, hopefully. Again, I'll try to keep it under 20 minutes if possible, but so far I have failed miserably. Let's see what happens today. Alright, so here we have order of operation, and order of operation, you can try to remember this. Okay, BODMAS. Now, okay, these two here and these two here, they are so-called like one or two separate groups. Okay, so B is alone. O, don't worry about O. Okay, so what does B stands for? B stands for bracket. D stands for division, M for multiplication, and they are one group. And then addition and subtraction, they are another group. Alright. Always go from left to right first. Okay, when you go from left to right, you scan, okay, and you see which of these you see first. If you see the bracket, you'll do the bracket first. Okay, if there's no brackets, then you check for division or multiplication, and then you check for addition and subtraction. Alright, so what does it mean? Okay, again, if in the equation there's a bracket, for example, there's a bracket here, there's a bracket here, you solve the bracket first, and then you look for division or multiplication, whichever comes first, again from left to right. Okay, it doesn't mean division will come first, and then after you do the division, you do the multiplication. No, it doesn't mean that way. So what does it mean? It means from left to right. If multiplication happens to come first, alright, in this case here, you see the division first, then the multiplication. So of course you do the division first, then the multiplication. But you can have another case where you will see the multiplication first. Okay, yeah, this one, multiplication, then you see the division. So you do the multiplication first, then you do the division, and same for addition and subtraction. Alright, so let's do the example so it's clearer for you to see how we're going to solve this. So again, from left to right, we scan and we'll see, oh, there's a multiplication, and we're going to do the multiplication first. So we do 12. Okay, this is what I recommend you doing. You underline what you want to solve first. Alright, so 12 times 3 is 36. Then you write the rest of the equation back in. You add them back in. Alright, so you have to do this a multiple of time depending on the question itself. Okay, how many operations are involved. But this way you will I can say avoid careless mistakes. Okay, so here is a good example here, because now we do not have any bracket, we do not have any division or multiplication, so we have addition and subtraction. But here you see we say A and then S, but it doesn't mean that you have to do the addition first. Nope. Okay, it's from left to right. and from left we'll see the subtraction first, and then we do the addition. So we're going to do the subtraction first. Okay, so 60 minus 36. Okay, 6 minus 3 and 24. Okay, and then we copy this one down, and then we just do the final addition. Okay, and this is our answer, 39. Alright, so for the rest of the questions, it's just the same thing. We're just going to repeat. It's like practice. Okay, if you think you want to try first, please go ahead, try first, pause the video, try, and then we can check your answer with what I've done. And again, if you feel these videos that I've been making is beneficial, please do subscribe. Okay, consider subscribing so that when I add new videos, you get notified. Okay, so here again from left to right, but we see multiplication. See, there's two multiplications, so which one do we do first? Okay, keep to the standard method from left to right. So we're going to do this one first because this comes first. So 9 times 8, 72. Okay, and then we copy the rest. Do not forget, you need to put the equal sign there. Okay, minus 6 times 3. Then we're going to do this one here, 18. And then we're going to copy the rest of the signs and the numbers. Don't forget the equal. And now it's going to be from left to right because we only have addition and subtraction left, and they are the same power. We call it the same power. Okay, so we're going to do 129 plus 72. Okay, so it's 201. Okay, let me just make sure it's correct. 723 2. Okay, and then we copy the rest, plus 16 minus 18. Okay, so we're gonna do the addition first. So we have 217 minus 18, and the last one, let's cramp it in. Okay, we will have 199. That's the answer. Okay, so next one here, we have a bracket. So we're going to do the bracket. Okay, we don't care for whatever that comes before this. Okay, even though we are looking left to right, but because bracket has, like I said, like stronger power, so we do the bracket first. Okay, so here we have 23, 7. Okay, we just copy the rest, and don't forget again the equal sign. Next, we're going to do the multiplication. 15 times 7. Okay, 105. Okay, I'm doing this without calculator, so hopefully I don't make any mistake. Okay, so make sure I just check. Okay, 15 times 7, 35, 710. Okay, then we're going to do the addition. 225, and then minus 23. 202. That's the answer. Alright, so that's why I say this video, hopefully it's going to be a short video, because it's just the same thing all over again. Alright, it's just that we are we are practicing the whole BODMAS thing and getting used to it. Okay, so here we see the bracket. We're going to solve the bracket. 7 minus 2, 5, 50, and then we're going to copy the rest. Okay, and we're going to do the division, because division is stronger than addition and subtraction, and it's not because division comes first than multiplication. Again, it's very important, but because we're going left to right, division and multiplication has the same power. So this will give us 3. Okay, and then times 3 plus 12, we're going to do this. 9 plus 12 will give us 21. There you go. Okay, going to the next part here. Okay, bracket. Okay, let's give us 9. Then we copy the rest. Times 9. Okay, plus 25. Then we see multiplication there. So we're going to do the multiplication. Okay. And then this is 180 minus. Okay, now there's no more bracket, there's no multiplication, no division. We're going to go left to right. Okay, we're going to do the subtraction here first. Okay, 135 minus 9 plus 25. Again, we're going to do this one here. So we have 126 plus 25. This will give us 151. There you go. Alright, and this one, same thing. Okay, so we can do this faster now because I'm quite sure you should be getting used to it. Okay, so now again divide. Okay, and then we copy the rest of the numbers down again, and then we're gonna do the addition now. So we have 310 minus 10, that gives us 300. Alright, and last two question. Okay, so this probably will be my shortest video for now. Okay, so we're gonna do the division first. We have 30, copy the rest. Okay, 51 times 7 first. We have 7, 35 there, plus 30 times 3. We're gonna do the multiplication again. Okay, so this gives us 90. Then we are left with the last addition here. So we have 7, 447. Let me just double check that. 14, correct. Okay. Here, bracket, minus, follow, copy the rest. Okay. And then we have our multiplication. Oh, there's a division here. Just make sure. Okay, so make sure you write your operation signs clearly. Okay, so this is a division, but we're not going to do the division first. We're going to do the multiplication first because the multiplication comes first. Okay, from left to right again because they have the same power. Now we're going to do the division. We have 10, 120 minus 10, 110. There you go. Alright, so it's quite straightforward. Alright, hopefully this will help you understand how to do orders of operation. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.